two dogs waiting.
Heartbreaks don't feel so bad when you make a song out of it. And it feels a lot better when you make money too.
Sharing one shadow, leaning into each other's space.
Yes, you'll see how to create and own your song and even get platforms like YouTube and Spotify to pay you for it.
Two cats on a fence, fighting then lying still.
Come with me and let me show you step by step what to do.
The first step to creating anything at all with AI is to what? Come up with a prompt. A prompt is your idea. You have to put your idea into words, describe exactly what you want, because basically the AI is garbage in, garbage out. It's computer, right? Like I said, I want to create a heartbreak song. I want to turn pain into purpose and money. So yeah, for this we're going into ChatGPT and I'll type what you see currently on the screen. I want to create a simple heartbreak song, one verse and a repeatable chorus. I have some visuals in my head. No worries if you do not have a visual at all, but yeah, it helps if you do, so that the AI can have a direction to give you exactly what you want. Once you put that, you can now tell the AI to create the lyrics for the song and of course make it genuine, passionate, and everything else that you want there. Now take a look at this. ChatGPT has done a beautiful job by coming up with this beautiful song, keeping my visuals intact. Of course, you can see the cats, the dogs, all represented in there, and of course I have just one verse and my chorus. We're gonna head to this platform called Sonauto. Yes, I love this platform because on the free plan you own the commercial rights to your songs. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to use Sonauto, drop it in the comment section and I'll do a separate video on how to use this platform, right? But yeah, everyone knows that if you're on the free plan of Suno, Audio, Tuni, and the rest, you really do not own the commercial rights of these songs. That means that you cannot make money off them on the free plan. You have to subscribe to their paid plans and so on. I only know of about 2 platforms like this that, give you commercial rights currently. That is Sonauto and Witg AI. So as you can see, I'm on the homepage of Sonauto AI. You can see the menu on the left side, and then they have the auto lyrics, custom lyrics, and no lyrics. No lyrics is basically you want instrumentals. Custom lyrics is if you come up with your own lyrics, or auto lyrics. So for me, I'm going to go with the custom lyrics because I already generated my lyrics from ChatGPT and I can customize it to my feel. So I do that, and then at the top here I have some options to impute the way I want my song to come out sounding. You see the sound up there, right? So here I'm going to emphasize that I want a female voice. I've noticed it works better when you actually emphasize that you want a female voice or a male voice. Like, write it as many times as possible because yeah, it's still AI, right? Sometimes you write female voice and then you get a male voice. So it's easier when you really just emphasize it, and then you get what you really want. So another amazing thing about Sonauto is the fact that it has unlimited music generation at the moment. Yes, you can generate as many music as possible. So when you hear me repeating the female voice or male voice, it's not because, hey, my credits might run out. No, it's because, you want to speed up your production time, right? So that's the whole idea. And then at the first generation, it gives you a sample of 2 songs per time. So you get 2 songs at 1 minute 35 seconds. So you test it out, you see if that's the vibe you're going for. If you do not like it, of course, regenerate until you get the one that sounds like what you're going for. And once you do, you can extend the songs as many times as you want. Okay, as you can see, these are the options here. You can extend the song. So that's the process of generating your song. So tell me in the comment section if you've used or you'll be using Sonauto for music generation, and of course if you know any other unlimited free music generator that can give you commercial rights on the free plan, drop it in the comment section so others can know as well. So now we are heading to Grok AI, where we get to describe our character. This is the character that will be heartbroken in the song. That's the musician, that's the singer, that's the artist. You might have a different idea from mine, so feel free to describe your visual to your AI. Any AI image generator of your choice. For this particular purpose, because I just want to do the image and video in one place, I'm using Grok AI. So currently I'm working on the ask feature. This is where I'm going to type in my prompt and then come up with an image before I switch to the imagine section for animation of my song. Okay, so let's look at what my character looks like. I got two amazing images of my character, and yeah, the first one is anime and the last one is hyper realistic. So I'm gonna go with the hyper realistic style. Yeah, depending on your own vibe, choose the one that works for you. Now let's upscale this image using the image upscaler. You can use any of your choice, or I could just leave the screenshot here so that you can try this one out. Choose your image and of course upscale it based on your preference to 2K, 4K, 8K and 16K. You can see that here. You can actually do that. All right, now once we are done with this, we are ready to generate our video. But before we do that, we have to remove the background of our image. So we use InShot to do that. We click the image feature, import the image that we generated, then use the cutout option to remove the background and save the image. Now we go back to Grok AI, switch from the ask feature to the imagine feature, and then import that image. Then we start to customize our prompt. Remember, I always tell you about the base prompt. Keep the character consistent in every way possible before you add location. If location doesn't come with your prompt, or any other thing that you want to change, make sure you add that at the top before you start to impute the description of what you want the video to come out looking like. Of course, remember to continually save your clips. Okay, as soon as you generate something you like, remember to save your clips, and because of course Grok AI is not saving it, so generate, save, generate, save. So that's what you do till you have completely got all the clips you want to use for your music video.
Once you get all your clips, you line them up in your editing app or software and add the song in the music section.
Cut out the extra parts of your clips, slow down where needed, and click export.
Now you can upload to the platforms of your choice and find some healing. Like this video if you learned something. I'll see you soon.
I saw two dogs waiting outside a coffee place, sharing one shadow, leaning into each other's space. Two cats on a fence, fighting then lying still. I laughed, then I stopped, 'cause I missed the way you'd feel. People walking nowhere, hands locked like they're late, and I'm counting my steps, trying not to say your name. Every pair feels louder when I'm walking alone. The world keeps reminding me of what I used to call home. Every tune makes me think of you. Every laugh feels half untrue. I'm fine till the moment I see what we almost used to be. Every tune breaks something new. I move on, then I fall right through. I don't chase you, I just stay.